guys, I'm Maddie. Welcome to Haven's Kitchen. I'm the brand manager here at HK. I handle everything from brand partnerships to our ambassador program and really building community surrounding Haven's Kitchen. I've been with HK since 2018, and during that time, I've become essentially a product of my environment. I love to host people, I love cooking, I love to have people try what I'm making as well. It's like probably one of my favorite things, aside from trying it myself. On our YouTube channel, I'll be sharing all of my personal favorite recipes. Seeing daily what you guys are tagging us in really inspires me, and I can't wait to share mine. So stick around while I cook recipes that I absolutely love, and we can cook happy together.